Do we remember what this was? This was, we had to use our logs, so this is kind of following with our logs. So what was the first step? First step was, say that again. Put y for f of x, and then log of both sides. So yeah, switch this out to a log, or switch that out to a y, and then take the natural log of both sides. I'm going to do that all in the same step. So I'm going to go natural log of y is equal to natural log 1 plus 2x raised to the sine x. All right, and then next thing is implement your log rules. So we're going to take this sine x and we're going to pull it down in front. Okay, so that's jumping the frog. So I'm going to keep natural log of y. Don't take that derivative too early, because if I'm manipulating with my logs over here, I can't take the derivative on the left-hand side. I have to wait until I've got all that simplifying done. So then I'm going to do sine x, all right, times natural log 1 plus 2x. All right, now can I take the derivative? Now the question is, when I take the derivative, what's going to happen over there on the right-hand side? What rule do I say? What? There is going to be a chain rule, yes. What else, though? Can I take the derivative of this and take the derivative of that and stop? Product rule. And you would not believe how many people I see take the derivative of this, take the derivative of this, and say I'm done. All right, but you got to recognize this is a product. Okay, so when I take the derivative, I'm ready to do that now. That's going to be u prime over u. So it's going to be y prime over a y. All right, and then it really doesn't matter here. Let's see. I usually leave this alone. I take the derivative of this. Now, can we do the derivative of this in our head? All right, derivative of 1 plus 2x is 2 all over the u, which is 1 plus 2x. Add the plus sign in there. So leave the second function alone. 1 plus 2x there. Now, derivative of sine is cosine. I could clean it up a little bit. I could put this all on the top. I would probably choose to put this in the front before I solve for my y prime. All right, or I might do it all in the same step. I can solve for y prime, so multiply that by y, sine x in the numerator, and then 1 plus 2x. Let's put the cosine x in front, and then natural log 1 plus 2x. That just makes sure that keeps you from thinking you're taking the log of all that. Okay, and then can I go ahead and replace y with what it equals? So then this whole entire thing, I can replace y with my original 1 plus 2x raised to the sine x. Okay. And they are not going to make you go any farther than that.